video, I'll be showing you the ways to report a problem with a voucher deal. So in order to report a problem with a voucher deal or the deal that you've received, in that case, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you have to open up a login into your account. Now, there is no such direct way of doing it so, or the direct option to do it so. You'll have to open up a new tab and type in the link, that is help.wowcher.com/article. So I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below as well, and this is gonna directly take you to the page where you can go ahead and state about the issue to your customer service team. And here you'll have all of these articles and link provided on how you can go ahead and report a problem with a voucher deal. So accordingly, follow the instruction and you should be able to get a response and your issue should be fixed. So that is how you can report a problem with a voucher deal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.